Good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel and to our day in life. So today we have lots on the docket. It is about 6:30 now, and we have started on making about 100 cookies.
We're having local elections at our church today.
So our church is a precinct in our community, and so our church is going to be offering cookies for the voters that are coming in. So we have offered to make about 100 cookies, so we have to do that this morning, and then we will get on with farm chores and milking the cow and whatever else the day may bring. It's going to be a crazy day. So you want to eat?
No.
Okay. Good morning to Daddy. Let's go eat.
Yeah, what's that? You don't get it put in today. Help us glorify you with all things. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
No. No.
Come on. Come on, Bobby.
Whoa.
Let's go, Daddy.
If you have watched our other day in the life, hey guys, that happened. If you watched our other day in the life video, you noticed this is a different cow. Our other male cow was kind of mean. She would like to kick and stuff, so we decided to sell her and get this little Jersey cow. So far, she's been a nice cow. We'll see. My wife wanted to name her Belle because she wanted to be able to say dumb Belle if she was being bad. Well, she kicked the bucket over, so we lost some milk. We need to take care of the flies so she's not so irritated. Now we're letting the calf suck after we milk so he can finish sucking her dry. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the house. Go.
Take it, put in the wagon. Got it? Go put it in the wagon. Good job. So this is our little garden. It's a little fenced-in area behind our house, and we've got corn and cucumbers, zucchini, potatoes, beets, carrots, and pumpkins, and beans, and sunflowers. So we planted like 4 or 5 pumpkin plants. I was shocked with how well they did. They kind of took over the whole garden. And we've got lots of pumpkins, and they're a little bit sooner than I'm ready for, but I have to pick them because they are gonna go bad. So anyways, I'm gonna have a bunch of pumpkins. Wagon. Thank you.
They're kind of dry.
Yeah, they're real dry.
Potatoes.
So I'm on my way to go vote and deliver the cookies to the precinct for our church to give out to the voters. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so now we are headed to a town to go pick up some duck work and stuff for Obie for some upcoming jobs. So that's gonna be a 45-minute drive over there, pick up the stuff, and then 45 minutes back. So that's gonna take up a large part of our day. Perfect timing because baby is ready for a nap. So he's gonna be back there snoozing and we're gonna start driving. So off we go.
Hey people, our amazing fans. We're just gonna show you a little bit. We kind of stuffed our car. So I should have brought the pickup, but we broke out the window, so unfortunately, yesterday evening. So now we're stuck with driving the car, and we have it packed. So this
There
is
is
for
a
some jobs.
child in the back, somewhere back there.
We're gonna get some hate comments on this about having stuff in our car with our kid. Anyway.
Okay, so it's almost 1:30. We made it home. I unloaded all the supplies that we got. And I'm gonna do a little bit of yard work and then hopefully do some painting on a project I'm working on.
Well, I'm headed to another city now to pick up a water heater. Fun, just driving all day.
And I'm gonna stay home with baby and we're gonna do stuff around the house. So I got some yard work done and now I'm going to be working on painting this little nightstand. I've been working on this project for a while. I had to strip a bunch of paint off. It was absolutely horrible. But anyways, it is time to paint. I've got it primed, ready to go. Gonna paint this thing, get that marked off my list for the day. So I just got this all finished up. Of course, my little supervisor's up there eating blueberries. But one thing I love about this paint, I use Waverly chalk paint, is that it's non-toxic. And so I'm able to paint inside and I don't have to use a respirator and it's fine if I paint around him. So yeah, definitely my favorite paint. I love it. And I absolutely love this color. It looks amazing. Okay, so now I'm working on dinner. These are potatoes that we got from the garden this morning. And then this is chicken that we actually raised ourselves and harvested. Marinated that overnight.
Yummy.
So Obie just made it home, and we are going to go get the truck and then go to a place that we're tearing down some buildings for people. Finish that job up, almost. We're close to finishing it up. And then we're gonna move my parents' cows, take care of them.
Put a new hydraulic hose on this tractor here.
Water.
So that's my parents' herd of cows. Most of them are red Devon cows, and then they have a few British whites. They also have a red Angus bull that they're mixing with the red Devon so they have a better hybrid vigor to them. So they do something called intensive grazing. So they move the cows every day during the summer to fresh pasture. That way the cows are getting away from their soiled ground and onto fresh grass daily. So, all right, let's go check their water.
Yeah.
We just made it home, and I let the chickens out during the evening so that they can get grass and bugs and stuff. I don't let them out all during the day very long because they like to go get in my flower beds and get up on my porch and leave little calling cards. So I try to keep them out just during the evening, because then as the sun starts to go down, they'll go back to bed. So. Go to the garden. Yeah. Okay, let's go check it. Let's go over to the porch and check it. Yeah. You hear the cow?
guys. Thank you for a good day, long day of hard work. Just thank you for the blessings for that ride through it. Just ask the blessings for you as I prepared. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
So all of our leftovers and scraps are going to go to the chickens. So we finished up with dinner, did the dishes, and now we are taking a little walk. That's our video. And thank you for hanging with us all day. Hope you enjoyed it. This is what a typical day for us looks like. So it's pretty crazy normally around here.
If you don't get too well watching our videos, you might have to go out and work to rest up.
Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in a later video.
Adios, amigos.
Bye.
Bye.